Hello everyone, welcome to Blessed Fortunes. My name is Neha and today we are performing a career reading for Libra for the year 2020. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you or someone close to you belongs to Libra zodiac, this video could be useful. Ruled by the planet Venus, Libra are very well balanced and charming people. They have a strong sense of justice. They are the ones with great ideas. Some of you could also be diplomatic and social. I have already drawn these 7 cards for your career and business reading. We are performing a horseshoe spread to see how your career will shape up in a year's time. This card represents your recent past, your present, your short-term future, your present state of mind, the external influences, your hopes and fears, and your long-term future. Let's start the reading. This card, Page of Pentacles, shows that recently you have just started a business or you're about to start a business. Some of you had recently started a new career or a job. This card also represents new beginnings and you need to be well prepared. This card, Three of Pentacles, shows that you either need some ideas or some people. You should be open to collaboration. You are just about to start if you haven't started till now. So you need a lot of planning right now. For those in a job, teamwork will help you achieve your goals. And those in business, you need to be open to ideas from your employees or some partner. This card, the Hierophant, also shows that you need to be ready to take advice. In your mind, you are quite prepared to learn something new. You know you need more knowledge. So it will be a great time if you help others and let others also help you. This way there will be some synergy and you will be able to go ahead in your career. Your external influences. This card, Eight of Swords, shows that there are some external influences which is affecting you a lot. One of those could be criticism. It is just in your mind. So this is just blocking you from achieving success. Stop overthinking. Everything is in your mind. There is no problem at all. Your hopes and fears card. This card, the King of Swords, represent that you are waiting for a mentor or a guide. You are quite smart already, but you need to be more disciplined to achieve success. And also, before investing anywhere, you need to do a proper planning. This card, Wheel of Fortune, shows that in a very short span of time, your luck is about to change. Keep the faith. Some of you in business, it says that you will actually achieve a lot of success in a coming future, in very short term future. For some of you, you will meet someone who will help you achieve your dreams. For some whose business is seasonal, your good time is about to come. This card, Seven of Swords, in your long-term future position, explains you will grow in your business and job. You can expect promotion and all good things can happen to you. It also represents something deceitful. Some client or some colleague or some partner in future, in your coming future, may deceive you or may cheat you. So just be prepared. It also shows that your interest may shift. You may start some new business also in a coming year. So do what you love. Overall, these cards in a career or business reading are very good cards. So to summarize, in your past, you wanted to start something. Some of you have already started in your past. In your present, be open to collaboration, teamwork to succeed in your career. You need more knowledge. So wherever you lack knowledge, take assistance from others and be open to learning. And you already know that you need more knowledge. That's the best thing about this card, that you are already aware. Your blockages are just holding you back. You can go ahead in your career. Don't be scared of criticism. Don't be scared of any small matters. Just be open to change. Be open to go ahead. Just go all in. Be more disciplined. You need to have a plan, proper plan, and do a proper research before investing anywhere. and you're waiting for a mentor or a guide in your life. In your short-term future, within a week's, or you can say within few weeks time, I can see this wheel of fortune changing your luck. So keep the faith. For some of you it represents your business will take off. For some of you it also represents that you will meet someone accidentally, and this guy or this girl may turn your luck and you may actually achieve your dreams. So for some whose business is seasonal, it's a good time for you. In your long-term future, this card 7 of Swords shows that you will achieve a lot of success. You will be a quite learned person in your future, and also not just that, you will achieve that wisdom, as I said, and with that your business and your job will also grow. You may get promoted. Just be a little careful that your colleagues or your team members may be a little deceitful, so just be careful, keep a watch. With this, we have come to the end of the session. Thank you for joining. I hope I was able to answer some of your questions. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also, let me know in the comment section which other topics you would like me to cover in my upcoming videos. Thank you.